How to remove and delete your blog or website on Blogger. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove your blog. It's actually very easy. So all what you have to do is go to Blogger. This is the homepage dashboard, as you can see. Now click here on settings and then scroll all the way down like this until you find this manage blog option, and here you will find the remove your blog. All what you have to do now is click on it, and then as you can see, deleted blogs can be restored within 90 days before they are removed forever. As you can see now, please, before you delete your blog, think and think and think, because it's very dangerous. This step, it's very dangerous. So all what you have to do is click delete and your blog is gonna be deleted. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.